Come on in. Brittany!
Come in my wrapping shop.
No man, someone man. Ben no pretty fun man, watch out. Game? No man, Brittany not going good. Brittany! No man, Brittany there. Come on, sugar. Brittany! Little girl! Hello. Oh, where you there, son? Eh? Where you there, son?
Me a text snap daddy.
You see how down my house there?
Hold on the
You wash plate, you prep bed, you do nothing, you don't for morning. Suppose if you say no go when your auntie them go see, eh? At that them are gonna call me and tell me no say everything you use, you left it dirty and all that and something there. You understand? You're a big girl now, you're 18 years old, you're out school. Brittany, need to do better, Brittany. You understand?
But me never feel good, daddy.
Feel good. You see the place where you're there. If you clean, cleanliness is godliness. I mean, I try put in there, but you not learn. Hey, world normal, you know. Post something happen. But me not do that. How you gonna survive out there? Eh? How you gonna survive? Because right now you can't have to manage yourself. And if you do better, man. Yo, go down clean. Go down clean. Go down clean. Okay. I don't feel me that, Lisa. What is that? What is that? You done? You know, say, I didn't think I'm run from. I run from things that are so hard. That's to make you so provide everything you need to make you reach yourself. You know what that look like? Hmm? Brittany, what is this, Brittany? What is this, Brittany? Yeah, let me lose it to Brittany. You know how hard it is to do a 9 to 5 and still have a mental up so. Eh? And plus you are gonna make it worse for me, you know? You no matter how much try to guide you on the right path, to make it up on the straight and narrow road, you find the corners and the cribbles and the lane them. Eh? What I say? This can't happen in my place. I don't know where I go with it, but the thing are coming, you know what it's reminds me of? Your mother, your workplace mother. You want to say like your mother? Hmm? Answer me now. You want to say like your mother? You come like, yo, it's 2 hours a one enough. Hey, you try to remember to play them before wash up now. Oh.
Brittany! 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 Brittany!
Brittany, what happened to you? What are you doing? So what?
Mommy,
What happened to you?
daddy up there cousin something that says to me. I start crying and come down here.
Your father really there? What many way? I run me, I come run and come look for you and say me I come get a check. Come enough to depend on the people in place. You understand me? So everything good with you, the whole school and sitting.
Mommy done school now.
Done school?
Yeah.
I saw time fly, Pitney. Time fly, man. Me never did know say time fly so fast, man. Just try hold your head up, you know, and keep your foot down. Me know say you no look a young girl going like you know want boyfriend early, you know. Me know say you no look a young girl having a little boyfriend. Me no see her talk and I go on like you have me. Why boy you little boyfriend? Tell me, man, cause you can't talk to me.
Yeah, me have one boyfriend, yes. Daddy don't know.
And before you go even no further, Miss Ma'am, you not have sex?
Me not start yet because me myself don't know nothing about them things there. So me not start it or anything.
Me know say you didn't tell about it, you know. But here what me I say. Even if you reach to that, please me they beg you. Make sure say you use a condom. You understand me? I mean I really indulge mood in mind and not think about man. You understand? Because right now, you have to think about yourself first and higher esteem you have to think about. Think about them, man, because you see what them do to them young. You know, look at your eyeball. Look at your eyeball and see what them do to them little young girl. A disease, all sort of sitting. Breed them, left them, left it on them mother, father, everybody have to jump in and help. Them not help. You understand? So you have to know yourself. You hear me? Okay.
How Brittany she? You still not watch me play them? No, sir. It's a little girl I get from back to.
Anyway, I get one little phone now. So I can give you my number so you can link me up. You understand? Cause you understand? Things are going bright for me, you know.
What's here?
Christ.
Miss Sissy, are you sure you can do it now? Brittany, you still have to play them up there, Brittany? Brittany, you still have to play them up there, Brittany?
But this man...
Where are you today? What bring you here? What bring you here today? All of a sudden just pop up out of nowhere.
Mister, one reason why I'm there for your property, you know. And that's because I'm a daughter, you know, and I love and you don't understand, you know. You say that you make all of this, you know. You think say nothing, I can look over your place? I don't want nothing for thief, I don't want nothing, I don't beg you nothing. And Brittany make me there.
Brittany make
and
you
my
there.
daughter.
If you did one there, that day, you love the street more than your daughter. If you did one there, you would have there. A party and a floss and all of that, something that you pick over your daughter. Are you cause everything? You cause everything.
Cause what? Cause what?
She a galang so, she a behave so, and now do what she fi do. You understand? And because me no lick Pitney, you know, I prefer discipline them and send them somewhere else go live, you know. Yo, you're gonna make me just send out of the place, you know. Just continue to test my faith, you know. Yo, go on where you go. Brittany, go wash your plate.
Brittany,
Last time I tell her, go on where you go, me say. Brittany, go wash your plate. Go on, go wash your plate, Brittany. Watch out. Hey, alright, just lick you with that piece of, hey. Sure. Yeah, man.
Well, I'm just can't bother this thing right now. Daddy has stressed me too much. Madam did it wrong, my mother. Can't take daddy no more. And I'm just can't bother. Right now I come out and I can't take it no more. Just can't take it no more. Just I'm sick and tired of it. Look up video and see Insta act up. I'm not wrong with him, just can't take it no more. I'm out of here. Can't take this no more.
So I plan for tonight, baby.
Just carry back anyway.
I know, baby. I know say a long time I link though. I said I can't go on Fiji night. I say I go.
Well, me never, ready and things. But I wonder if I could have wait. No, I ain't ready yet. I'm not ready.
Wait for me, baby. Look how long me I talk. I'm never cheap for you. I have to wait target you. From me, I never do nothing for disrespect you or make you feel uncomfortable. But always do the fear. Look there, as you calm me there, your foot. See, I must can make a general feel nice in the night. Most can give me a play. What you say? Can't go on.
Travis, if you really, really love me and care about me, you must can't wait.
Well, honestly, I don't understand. I don't know why I'm supposed to wait after me do everything what I'm supposed to do. You see me? So, I don't see the reason why I'm supposed to wait right now. To me, so it seems like you're trying to say, oh, I'm not good enough. You see me? That's how you make me feel, right?
Travis, no, not like that. Me a virgin.
Oh.
So, I'm kind of scared to do it. Understand?
I say, never know. You see me? But, don't worry yourself, yeah. Maybe change. You see me? Oh, I'm going to first song or something. Let's see, I'm going for some.
Daddy run out and we never have nowhere to stay, so we come here so and they ask them probably could have stayed here for the night. Seriously, girl, your father run you out of the house, them a time of night, yeah?
Don't sit down and look right, yo.
Zaffa, come in. Cause time late. You shouldn't have on the road in time now. Come. So late to wake up, girl. Gosh. I just 10 o'clock. Girl, 10 o'clock late. Me I'll wash clothes and put on the line almost dry. Gosh. So, what you get? Well, me I want snacks in my bag when me eat, but would I eat something else, yes?
Alright then, if you want something to eat, you can go in the fridge, go look for something.
Alright then.
Oi, wait there, come here. Hey, remember, so we need to talk about what happened last night, because we don't understand why your father would have run out of your house in late night. You know why. So when you finish eat, just remember, so we have to talk. Here?
Alright.
Alright. Girl, me can't believe your father do something like that. Run you out of your house in the middle of the night. No, we need to get to the bottom of this. We need to do something about this. We don't have a problem with you staying here, no, but we need to know why your father run you out of your house.
Alright, let me tell you about it. Let me tell you what. Let me tell you. My father see one video in my phone, right? When me a wind up on one boy, you know them thing there something. That not really happen with the video or anything, nothing wrong. You not see me like saying see me in a naked clothes or anything. Alright, so after that now, you see the video on my phone, you start make up be nice and one bag of something, so I walk off because I couldn't take it. I thought be a thing so my mother and something, so I couldn't take it, so you know walk off and things. So after that now, later down, my mother come look for me. So me and her the one place. Something I talk, I see my father show up. Start disrespect my mother and I run her out her place and something, but she come out her yard and one bag of something. So me have to really look into myself and say, I must see my father really do in front of his own daughter face. So I said, no. He run my mother out her place and something. My mother gone. In the night now, me there on the bed lie down. My father just walk in, come drag her sheet off of me, and I tell him to come out and place. He watch me, I pop the bag. And me thinking they'll tell me say, if you pack up my clothes then when me I go anything, he just watch me pack the bag and tell me to go on out and place. And I mean that, just see me end up down here. Never know say my father would have do that. Never know say he would have do that.
Girl, it don't matter. You just turned 18 now, you fend for yourself, you find food to eat and then something the girl. Can't work, girl, it can't work, man. We need to go down to the station right now. Man. Oh, we can't go down there like this. We need to find something with sleep, so I go for my sweater.
We have something to do with night on important, so you know it take me around 10 or 15 minutes. So I meet at the police station, so you can just go and left me if you come down there. Here?
Brittany, make sure you not play with me, you know. Make sure you not play with me because this is pretty crucial. Make sure you meet me down at the station. Alright.
You know, say God know, man, right now. You better just come out of me and go and buy your business, man. God know, cause after I see a new man turn around the road when yo, you better just go on here, man. You see me? Don't touch me, say just go on your ways, brother. Just go on your ways, you see it? Cause I can't believe you do me that, you. God know, you a fall person, never expect you to do that, you see me?
Travis, you know, so I never mean nothing by it. I not tell you no lie. I not even know how it happened, it just happened. You just push your tongue in my mouth. I mean nothing by it.
You can't tell me so that no mean nothing to you.
I just want a little kiss. You don't mean nothing.
Yo, you're lucky, you know. Can you say for there a certain man, your face tear off already. That, yo, you're lucky you can't come stand up in me and chat to me. You see me? You better just go away.
Travis, look for me now. You remember say, you did say we want a break, not true?
Alright, Stacy. Here I go. Just give me a little space, man. Let me just process this whole thing, cause you see right now, me not think straight right now, you see me? Because I just never expect you to do that, you see it? So just give me a little space. That's all me ask, alright?
Alright, Travis. I'll give you space, I can think about you here. I'll check you back later here. Or me call you. I can call you later. I just want you to get the time to think about things here.
Yeah, I just need to process this whole thing, you see me?
When I call you later, you go answer me.
You never might know.
Can I get a hug before I go?
Just go on, Stace, just go on, man. Yeah, Soapy. Yeah, my Jenna, you don't see my daughter pass or so?
No, dear from man, you know something to say.
Yo, alright. If I see them, I look for you and can't find her, you know.
You don't know if you see her?
Yeah.
I'm not going to link you.
Alright, brother. Yo, me get one nice soup, them, I hear? Alright, enough respect. Yeah, man.
We can't call now to get Brittany no father number. Oh,
Hello? Miss Anja, you don't see Brittany come around and on tall. Find yesterday, man. You don't see her on tall. Alright, no problem. Now, Tim, so I go on, brother. You don't see Brittany, yo. You don't see Brittany? Hey, Brittany could have there. Mommy. Brittany come around yesterday? No. She did with her mother, by the way, man. So I'm not so feel her right now. I'll call her.
Travis! 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 Travis!
you may call Travis phone and now get there. You already got one phone.
Travis!
How would that call? What we have? How Brittany that? How Brittany find me out? No, sir. How Brittany find me out now? Brittany, how you doing, sir? How you even find upon me live?
I must say the time say a white hall I live. I just come a white hall and show some people a picture and they say, yeah, right, I say you live.
You didn't even call me and tell me say you're forward. I want me.
See, you had to drop me off last night. Well, I never did some leave, and my girlfriend lived there with the same. I stayed there for the night and things, so that's it. I forward over here or something. So you know, let me in.
Yeah, man, I can come here, man.
So much for the car then.
I know, say, whether I may drive and me swing out of one dog and just licking at one patrol, all my front end mash up. So I have to leave here, but
So you see, I live.
yeah, man, this one. Not too bossy still, no, but yeah, I try to work to set it up one thing, man. Mine's this one, is it? Yeah.
So, one kind of just scare me here so last night more than we gonna guest house.
God no be. Place not too safe in the night, you know. You see me? They want to come around and say with them hours and night, you see me? So I just say, oh, let's bring you up by guest house, yeah, man. And worse, want you feel comfortable, you see me? Yeah. So, be how long you plan to stay because nobody expect say you're forward and them things, you see me? And me calling some people for go work on your house and things, you see me? So, yes. How long you plan to stay?
So Travis, suppose we want to stay here for a little while. Yeah, Travis say you can't stay here or something for a week or a couple days.
No, be. I never say you can't stay, but you just show up unexpected when a big things are going and mama say me tell us some people are going to work on or something. You see me? You know see the place stay, place want to set up one thing, but if there's somewhere you want to stay, you can find somewhere for you to stay.
So, you can't stay here for the night.
Maybe of course. You can't stay for the night, man. Cook something, mackerel and dumpling and make you feel with it. I wonder if you look again and say leak off already. You have man worried in that place. Yo. Hello.
Yeah, ready for this? She come here late last night and she say you run her out of her house.
What you talking about? We run out data. We run out no data. So where is she? She run there?
No, she down there here. Me and she need to meet up in her town. But me don't know which part she gone.
So she left and not tell her where she go? Alright. If anything me call about, we'll just get me together, yeah.
So, big up on yourself, people. Welcome to the video. I'm there with filmmaker, writer, director, Mr. Gadel. Your last name again? Fenton. So, we're there doing like that call you now, short film. So, this is a part 2 of the first part, Farmer's Daughter. Yeah. So, the first one me shoot and edit it. The second part him shoot and edit it. It was a fun experience. So, when I go to the part where him shoot and edit, if you not see the first part, they're on him channel, same way. Take care of yourself, my boss.
Talk up preview 1, you know, where they hold it out, you know, Akeem Lawrence,
everything when I say me do, him do too. You understand? So I don't know why I big me up so like I'm the dad.
So not too dance same way.
Alright, so
Alright. Remember to subscribe to people.
Yeah man. AV. If I can't find it, just type in Akim Lawrence and you find it. You see me? Blessings. Bless up. What's up if you call our mother though? Fuck. She not on the phone. Last time I can't try to get her, I can't get to her. I go on her yard before I go to the station, cause if she not around her yard at a straight station.
In and out. First seed out tie bag. 17 Chinaman Terated.
Mr. Chen.
I tell you, I look safe. Ready again?
Me have an in there for the nice part.
14 on the mouth. Wow. That not look bad.
Look bad.
It don't look bad.
You know safe.
54.
Stop line boss! You line get fuck up.
Quick over.
So come in, what boy your daughter?
Good thing you ask, girl. See, you know, say me, they run that area that day randomly. And I pass through when me look, me see Brittany. Brittany, I cry. When me walk going in the yard, never know say good boy today. When me walk going in the yard, I call Brittany. Brittany grow on her back, Brittany the ball. Same man and father in eruption. Man no come run me out the yard.
So what you do?
Girl knowing me. You know say me never want the embarrassment and show the poor problem on me and him. Me no bother with him. Me just left out time place. Cause me can't deal with him.
Best thing, girl.
I don't know.
$47.
647 girl I come. Him going like say I live too much uptown life for me. So me I stay in a my lane.
Hey, speaking of the devil, who that did they come? Then your baby father.
Kiss me neck.
He not dead for now.
But he not dead now.
We have your son him.
Jesus Christ.
Excitement.
What is now? Play the next game, please. Wait till he come now. Wait till he come.
Excitement.
Must think sen candy now.
Call back.
In or out? Hey, hello, what you do ya? Eh? You don't run me out of your yard. You have your heart to come on my yard. You want this, yeah? You want that?
You know
You want that? You don't want to take care. You don't want to take care.
You know
Eh?
for man, school.
Where you come on my yard for? You don't shame me out of your yard.
Come in, mind the bun with that, you know. Listen me, I say, man. You want to know what me really come about? Brittany missing. Brittany missing. For yesterday, I can't find Brittany. And that me come to you about.
Brittany missing.
Yes, Brittany missing.
How Brittany for missing under your care? How Brittany you lock him up all in a house? How Brittany for missing under your care? My daughter Brittany, how you missing?
And then something I like, you know.
But it's not easy.
That's me have to love you out, you know. Me have to love you because you have too much anger, man.
What you mean?
Britney, Mr. Camille. And before you help me find out.
She not go to my station. Where you come here for? Where you come here for?
I want to check if you have her first before me go to station. I can't just run to station, so. You know, say person I want you to check out or something.
But this man him come like he's sick in the head.
You can't tape on my shirt.
That's what they talk about. You better find my daughter, you know.
You know what, I should have come here. I should have come here and talk to you about, you know, because this doesn't make no sense. I'm going to look for my daughter myself. That me I tell you.
Go look for your daughter yourself. You're sick in the head. You're sick in the head. You have to look for your daughter yourself.
Low and making one.
What do you mean low and making one? Low and making one, I need some picnic missing. I need some picnic missing.
You go on.
Watch me, you're dead, you want dead. I dead, you want dead. Find my daughter. Find my daughter. All right.
So time late, man. But true, you know. True, the time is going to see it late for true, man. Alright, let me have one. Egg go. Slow bread. Come here. Travis. Travis. You wake up na man. No bird no day here.
I'm sure. I'm sure good.
Me check good come man. You wake up now.
I shut down on the front door, that's it. See if you look better.
Travis. 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 Travis, what happened? You know me I call you.
Stacy. Where are you, Stacy?
What do you mean what me I do? You know me come look for?
What do you mean you come look for me? We both agree say out, me I go take a break. So what you there do?
But you not answer me call them.
What do you mean by me now? We both agree say out, me I go take a break. No that the agreement will come to.
So you not take no enough break?
No, Stacy, you have to leave. Honestly, you can't stay. Me really
You run me
need...
to the house?
Honestly, me I run you, but you know, me just need a break. And we both agree say out, me I take a break. You see me?
You still have milk over the little kiss.
Yeah.
Me thirsty, beg a little water.
The fridge plug out, no ice water in there.
Me take the pipe water.
Sure, me think our water gone, you know. But Stacey, honestly, you need to leave, Stacey. You can't stay.
So make you run me so? Like you have somebody here where you don't want me to see?
Honestly, me I run you, but I must have agreed to take a break, you know. That was the agreement. So,
You sure you don't have no woman up here? No wrong with me, you know. Because me I call them and answer me call them.
my phone dead.
Me now come out. My belly hurt me, I want a little tea.
No sugar in there, the sugar done. Me not buy nothing from money.
Travis, you deal with me away, you know. All of that a mistake. And look how you are going.
That can't be mistake, brother. How that can be mistake?
Me I call you and answer your phone.
My phone dead.
And today alone me I call you.
My phone dead for a week because I'm not charging the necessary.
Oh, so you don't want to call from me then?
Nobody at all. Right now, just by seeing you, it'll bring back memories. So you just...
Look here, me I go lower you out for your time being. Me I go give you your time, but me want the tea. Because my belly really dey hurt me. So you know, so if you not give me tea, me not left. So it's either or either.
Unless you want it fresh?
Yes, me will take it fresh. I want some egg and bread too. With lettuce and tomato.
No, none of that. Just don't hide and make the man who did a kiss by egg sandwich.
What's here? How about this?
Who are
Shami,
you?
who me? Who are you? Who are you? How are your feet?
Hey! How are this? How are this? What is?
Yo!
That's what I'm mad girl.
Wait.
Mad girl.
Man, you make me pop my foot down.
Hey, girl.
Yo!
Travis said tell her about me.
Christ.
You look like you know hear about me.
Easy no man, easy.
What she do ya?
What me do? What you do ya?
Yo, only just easy now. Yo, yes, build up.
Leave me alone.
Yo.
Take up here. Hey.
Yo, I'm saying what the fuck, yo.
Hey. You don't want me.
Yo.
Alright. Hey, move. Hey,
Yo, you see what
I
look.
Alright, control. Control on the bomber clad. Control and a real fight.
Jesus Christ. Yo, only just build. You see what you cause? Me tell you some need some space. Look where you coming from. Where you coming from?
You see you? You're lucky, you know.
Brother, just go on, brother, come tell us some
Look
need.
here, you know, me go give you space. Me go lower your place too. But you see, any of me come back up here and she up here, me dirty the two of you, yeah?
How she talk, bro?
Yo, ease yourself, no Brittany. Just easy. Just cool, man.
You know what, matter of fact, me not gonna stay with you here.
What you mean by
Me not gonna stay here with you.
Me
Me say me not gonna stand here with you.
What you mean by that?
Me not stay here. Me not staying here.
Brittany, just chill.
Me not, don't touch me. Say me not stand here.
Brittany, what you mean by that?
Me say me not stay.
Brittany.
Matter of fact, me come for me bag and me something there, man. Excuse, come out of
Brittany.
me.
Where you going?
Then I put on my slippers. Me say me not Tanya, man. Me not Tanya.
But you not feel me don't tell us something of me if you know this happen.
Me can't talk with them foolish say no more, man.
What kind of foolishness?
You know
I
see?
first it happen.
First that happen. Wait a minute, I don't know what you're
Brittany,
doing.
just
Don't
cool now,
touch
Brittany.
me. See this, don't touch me, brother. Put on my slippers.
Brittany.
Let go me back now, brother. Move now.
Just cool now, Brittany.
Leave, Mr. Philippe. Mr. Philippe, me alone. Leave me alone. Me go. Me say me
Brittany,
not
just cool now,
Tanya.
Brittany, what you mean by that? So, you nobody want the egg and the bread? Brittany!
So I look at I want to spray, man. Let's have spray for them. Ranky me take up No, sir. Something going on there. We'll go on for the next one, because nothing going on today. No. Nothing.
Brittany.
Good morning, Mr. Albert.
Yes, my boy.
Everything alright, boss?
Yeah, man, so far.
Yeah, man, I'm there, man. So, no other not come in today?
No. In the farm, man, things do. My papa, them good still.
I'm good to see you, man.
No,
Why,
no comment,
I know.
man.
You look away, you know. Why, I don't know why I'm
Papa,
going
yeah,
on,
farm, you know.
Can't make them spoil on the tree, you know.
No, you have to go look some market.
You know, we have to go do that, man. But, everything good otherwise, though.
Yeah, man, so far.
Alright, so, me go check what I got along, you hear?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
So, bossy,
What happened, Robert?
me want news this morning. Are your daughter, them Brittany, you missing?
Why? I'm my daughter, man.
Eh?
I'm my daughter.
Why you feel sticky, man?
Why? No, man. Right now, I not think straight. See me, I left my key there. Right now, I don't have no work. I go do around the next farm around there, so.
You understand?
But me hope she does something safe, you know. You
Yeah,
understand?
Man, nothing happened to her still.
Nothing happened to her. I want like a feud with her and I try teach her the right. You know, when you look at people nowadays, they don't really listen.
You understand?
Foreign minded.
Yes. So
Yes. But,
I hope you may find him still.
yeah, man, I go and do something and
Yeah,
pray,
man,
you
I
know.
hope you may find him.
Yeah, man. And you go to church too?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so when I go to church, just beg pastor to go and
Pray
pray
for
for
him. Yeah,
you
man.
see me?
No problem.
Alright, my boss. Me I go and check on you.
Yeah, man. It could be.
Alright,
Yeah, man.
I say, a piece of drama galang girl.
Kind of drama?
I say, me want girl to fight.
Fight.
Yeah, watch out.
Chavis. So all them mess up me, yeah?
hello, man. Good day. No, some of the daughter, some of them want to take a picture. You see me? Yeah, man. See a picture here. I wonder if you can leave it for me. Okay. Alright, $500. Yeah, man, I can leave, man. What's up? Alright.
Oh man, they mess up me.
Me go shop and come back. Me no see girl will sit down on bed.
Sit down on
Sit
bed.
down on bed.
So what you do?
You have to laugh.
So you not say to nothing to her?
Me just
I'm a
walk in
man.
and start. Me walk in and start with a start on her case. Beat the girl.
You have to start on her case.
Of course. But me done with Travis and me done with him. Me not
So you're really not in love with Travis anymore?
No, me like yes, me still love him, but you not go work. You not go work.
Brittany, where the Brittany? Come on.
so good. Yeah. Let me find her though. Bless you.
How the fruit, man?
Yeah, me boss, what go on?
You don't see the girl there?
No, sir. No, sir. You know, I said this is a girl there before at all. So what happened?
She miss the man, find her, I can't. My daughter, you know, I can't find her.
I can't believe it, man. Watch her. It's such a sweet girl, man. So I wonder where she could have gone.
That me don't know, but me I try to see me can find out where she gone, you see?
Me I tell you, no, sir, I don't see her pass at all for me there for Sunday until now. I don't see her pass.
Alright, me general, enough respect.
Alright, yeah, me boss, alright, me boss.
I try remember.
Boy, sometimes you know fi give up your man for some girl. You hear what me say?
We done with him.
Sometimes some girl love running.
Running for a man thing, so then
Yeah, when them say some things are going for you, bad mind, next grudgeful, them a go dead.
But I don't understand how the girl did there and Travis and tell the girls to come out of her house because he have his woman there. So we just make the girl sit down on the bed.
Not even hide her, nothing.
No,
If you don't make you see.
Just do it brawling, so.
That out of order.
Did I know when they get good woman, man?
I ball game, you know. So what you gonna do? Play game.
That me I go
At the
do.
ball game.
Fix up well.
I'm gonna talk no kick like no ball, you know. Oh, me attack score.
Well, what me get one better than him.
No goalie business. No standing business. No pram push thing. Oh, no sit bubble sitting there so. Try make sure so you sort out yourself. You're young and look good.
Come here.
Yeah, you know she there?
even name or nothing, no, they panic.
You know, say, come here, hurry me, I remember to put her name for it.
Something like that you have to think about. You have to think about them apart, the boat name, where it come from and everything.
Like a 911.
No, you have to print this over.
Alright, yo, only the, when me run out them, me get some new one. Yeah?
Because on the face you go get on this. You have to get some more concrete if you know.
But we have to take a picture of it and post it on Facebook and Instagram and things.
If anything, I call the number,
If anything, we call the number and tell you.
Alright.
Alright, don't go up and find him before the day still.
Alright, come.
Yeah, man, we have to do what we can.
Alright. I see that girl I know about place.
No, sir, I don't know her.
You don't know her?
Yeah.
My God.
Hope I find her though.
I just walk it back. You see if it just put up, anyway you put up it, that number you just call. Yeah?
Alright.
I'm general, you know I'm to see the girl and know about place. I know say I don't really see her but like some of them I know still, you know. Me. You know say my daughter and she miss the brother. So money the panic. I'm not too much, but if somebody come and come with half of me, you do something, you understand? I hold on for one of them, see her make you know. I number this. Yeah man, I number that. Let's call the number. Alright my boss. Alright my general.
Get a chance and he blew it, so make him go on. Me done with him.
Out of order.
Me done with him. Me done with him, man.
Right now, me a dear here. Whole heap of man a go run you down. Whole heap. And no drop no catch. You no drop or catch. So you come, so you take it. Your ear good and nice. It's a hell of a thing. Man, come like a manual, you know.
I tell about it. And I'm done with him.
I'm finishing now, you know. You know what price already?
No, man.
Thank you, love.
Alright.
Look at this, see you. Remember what me say now?
Oh, you tell me.
Later.
My father come. Many men are not alright now. You like say you want control him. You like say you want rule my life. You know me can't more hide.
Come here, hide you. Hide. I don't want to chill you with Nick as much as you're big, so. I want to go on yourself.
You know say my daughter miss and I put up on missing
Miss
poster.
what?
Miss a poster.
And if people put up things for my shop, they have to pay me. Any poster. So me hear, so me know.
Not really much right
If you
now.
don't hear, go so you soon go so.
Not really much right now.
Miss. Let me see one of them still. For your ear, but not even put in one next stack. Miss. A KFC she there. And then they want.
2 days now KFC.
I mean, she and him chicken till she can't eat it no more. She not look miss.
No, we just have a little argument and find out. See
So one of them you go put up on the wall of my shop yourself?
No, I just want me to put up and say you can keep the one there and call number if you see her.
Call number.
Please, if you see her, you can call me.
Then they will call me informer.
I'm not informer. Listen, me can
Well,
put up.
go and put up it still. Me try put out a word for you.
Alright, thanks, yeah.
Thank me. Thank Chief Runway.
Why you say that? Why you behave so?
What kind of picnic you want to run when at this time, yeah? Or what could a sweet her so? What sweet nanny goat to go run them belly?
Well, we can't. Oh. I can't bother with him, man.
Alright, thanks.
Me see what go on. Me go and look for the fiancé, me see her.
Yeah, man, if you see her, you just call me, please.
Hope I call you, cause me no want nobody do me no oh. You hear?
Yeah, man.
Boy, your father and pick me, miss him. Miss him, me fool. You gone. Realize your father that you are high.
Right now, mother never come.
Him come.
You not gonna mother yet, no come.
Tell your mother from here so before you leave. So you make sure you say you're alright and you're safe. What's him buck up on the road right now?
Come here.
Hell and powder house. She not answer yet.
Mommy.
Yes, my daughter.
Yeah, Brittany. Me I come stay with you here. No, I come stay with you.
Me there on a yard, man. Come.
Alright.
We're not going to explain everything.
Where your son send me advice? You alright?
No, one time I come and explain to you, yes.
Alright. Hear what you do. We don't come with talk, you hear?
Alright.
Alright.
No, gone, mother. She tells me to put that.
Alright.
You gone? You
I
sure
don't
say
know I can't stand my heels.
You sure say gone?
You gone.
Alright.
I did say father, I'm up with you.
But this one not
You're
easy.
so-called father, cause that's a so-called father.
But this one not easy. Right now, let me take a picture. Right now, I'm going to show you, mother.
Yeah, mother. Take a picture into outer order.
Me I go show my mother right.
Oh,
Me I go show my mother right. Now watch me and it. He out mother and bright.
Tell your father that.
Alright.
Can't believe, say, Travis really go look woman so quick. After one little kiss, you know? Yeah, people so say me mad because I can't really talk to me. So quick. So me I feel I wonder if him and the girl went a long time, you know. That's why I did a treat. So. Travis make the girl pop off me chain off of my neck. My blouse and skirt. I see no scratch for my neck, yeah, man. Mash me and mash up the two of them.
Hello, lady.
Right, you know. Hi, sir.
Sorry for bother you, you know. I'm a daughter I look for. You see her know about the place?
You who?
My daughter. Wanna know the daughter?
Sir, me and that girl that just done fight a while ago.
You just done fight, my daughter?
Me go see her in my man yard.
My daughter are your man yard?
Yes, your daughter, the same girl
You
here.
sure?
She's same one.
You know, enjoy her serious or anything?
No, but me shoulda enjoy her.
No, man.
She had pop off me chain.
One daughter, me no want nothing to her.
So what should I do on my man yard, sir?
Alright.
If you want, me show you which part me catch him a while ago and me can't do that.
Yeah, man, I love that one.
Can't believe you say you have one daughter.
One daughter?
Man yard, you want to see her.
Mother, I not want to talk about her mother, you know. Mother just bad like a yas.
You say one girl?
One girl put me on.
Over there, sir, she there now. Over there, yard, she
Over the yard, she there.
But me now come over there with you now.
Alright, yo. Thank you very much, yeah?
Hello, so I just saw some thanks you give me. You have to give me something, no information I give you for free.
You think I help me out?
Sir, me go catch your daughter, my man yard, and she almost beat me up. She pop off me chain. Me tell you which part she there, and you want, no, give me something.
Don't take me how much, you know, let me see.
Give me something.
1, 2. You know, sir, I just $300 me have.
1, 2, $300.
$300 me have. That's all me have. Nah, no more money for me.
Sir, my name must make you know which part your daughter there, you know?
Yeah.
And you go look for me and give me $300.
But I'm grateful for it. You don't know what you do right now. Because she probably over there. Had one bag of things.
It's alright, give me take it.
Alright,
$300
thanks,
for information. You're welcome. Go on to your daughter.
Brittany! Brittany! Brittany, I'm sorry, Brittany. Brittany, my father come for you. Sorry, I rush you up. But you know I love you, Brittany. Brittany! Brittany! How would I call Brittany and Brittany there? Awesome. Brittany! How would that they know? Yo, Elda, what going? Brittany over there, that's you? No, Brittany there. No, sir. Allah you tell. Jeez, I want disappointment to do Father God. No, your daughter not there, Elder. She not there. Somebody tell me some daughter over there, and me piece of my daughter over there. Yo, tell my daughter some out the road. Wait for her. Elder, your daughter not there, Elder. You want to come call, look for yourself. Yeah, how much? I'm 25, Elder. My daughter 18, brother. Yo. Come look and see what I tell you, she not there, Elder. I'm more the your daughter, nothing because I love your daughter, Elder. Don't love my daughter, don't love my daughter. I don't want you love my daughter, you hear that? She young. She need to go to college and then something.
But I can send her to go to college, Elder.
Me don't want a man send her to go to college. Want to come show me where you find the daughter, yeah.
Go on and go look, man, because I tell us that she not there. Look anywhere you want to cook on that bed, brother. Jesus Christ. So this me get myself for now.
Brittany! Brittany!
Elder, me I tell us that she not there, Elder. She gone home.
Yo, where my daughter there, yo? Where my daughter?
Elder, just easy, Elder. Me I tell us that she not there, Elder. She gone
Yo,
home.
not tell me nothing, man,
Me
yo.
not catch up in the
The
one.
last time my daughter there, right, that's all. I'm out. Me call police come over here now. I'm not, yo, listen me, man.
Elder, just cool, Elder.
Look at you, listen.
Elder, no bother with that, Elder. Just cool, Elder. Me I tell us that she mood your daughter, nothing, you know. Me love your daughter, you know.
Don't love my daughter.
Jesus
Don't love my daughter. Hear me say, man, yo.
Elder, just cool, Elder.
You see my daughter come back here tonight. You call me. Yo.
Elder, just
listen me I say.
Cool, Elder, me love your daughter, you know. Elder, me love your daughter, you know.
Listen me I say.
Elder, I ask if you marry your daughter, you know. Elder, because me love her, you know. Elder, just cool, man.
Listen me I say, man. Listen me I say.
Elder, just listen to me.
Yo, you not married my daughter and you don't love my daughter.
Elder,
You never
me
know
love
my
it.
daughter, you never see my daughter. My daughter just 18 and you're 25. You don't know my daughter and I have nothing to do with my daughter. You say
Elder,
anything
but
at my
age not
daughter,
have
me
nothing
go
to do with it,
station. And you say, yo, me not too about that. Yo. I say, yo, you see everything me go station and lucky, you know, boy. And that me I tell you. You understand?
Elder,
Yo, just make sure say my daughter reach and me under one piece. If she come,
how me I gonna know if she reach home, Elder?
yo, listen to me, man.
Right now,
Yo, get one pen and paper, give me. Let me give you my number. Get one pen and paper, give me your number.
I have my
What do you,
phone,
man?
You can't put it on my phone.
See if she come. Hurry up.
Well, on the Elder phone lock. Jesus.
Well, listen, I know about that. So make the daughter come make sure you call me now. Let me tell you.
Yeah, man, me call her, man.
You call me now.
Yeah, man.
Let me, hey boy.
Yeah, man, me call her, man. Just go on the Elder.
I mean, can remember say man, you so young thing, boy. One thing, you know. You know you have food that television, boy.
Me did I make some breakfast. You want some? Jano. How really are going today? 2 drama in one day. No man, my heart a race son, me can't manage in a woman. Jesus Christ. Jano. Father look serious to you, know, me not. Boy.
Action.
So, yeah, people, me don't know, I try to figure out how to pull that shit, but anyhow. I hope you enjoyed the short film there a while ago. And if you're not subscribed as yet, definitely subscribe. And remember, it's a collaborative effort. So, if you watch this video over AV channel, go over Talk Up TV 1 and subscribe to as well. Yeah, more movie will come soon.
o'clock part. I don't call the police, no worries. Walk one. Can't be such an early morning war. I walk one, man.
Elder, I saw you there want rob me, you know. Yeah.
Yeah, man, they were good also. Drugs, yo, hide that some man. Hide in that, lock up, brother. Come here.
Man, run off left me, oh. Come on, run off, yo.
Silent. Don't say it.
Man, escape you. Bad man. You never say, you man run to Jamaica, brother. Yo, I see what's been in a put here, make you man run off. Yo, man, drop off for me, bad man. You want me do? Yo, me general.
I go on soldiers. Pick up myself, man.
Yeah, man.
So, man, they look clean and fresh like a
yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yo, here what go on, me general.
You
see one youth pass now, aqua cola shot.
No, sir, I don't see them on the pass, your brother. You know, sir, from the day I two of you first come on this pass, that's a brother. Swear from my life, brother. No man no pass here, unless them go on to the front. Because 3 way, you know, so you must come and so.
So if you see me, that tell way?
How you mean, man? I like I sitting in the like 2 man and look for and I'm not so clean. I must something wrong with boy doing, no, man. What color shirt is him now again, brother?
Aqua color, man. They call it like a similar to sky blue.
Yeah, so as long as in the Negrill beach, we will see him. This is Negrill, nobody can hide. That one the robber now.
You know, say boy style thing though. But you know, say
what's saying again?
Aqua color shot, man, similar to sky blue.
Oh, yeah. Bring back the memory, no, brother. You know, say me see a youth gone up the beach there. That man, they could have reached all up on Alfred and up on the beach there, you know. Without got 2 white guys, because this is Negrill. The man touch the beach, right?
Alright, you know, respect, here.
Yes, brother. So, your brother, like, come tell me, man, God, you can't live a thing, man. Any small.
Yeah, let's see me.
Yeah, man, really small, man.
I'm going to pull the boy today. Yo, here, hold on for this. See, yes, anyway, we find him.
Yeah.
We are come back on circle and get it better.
I'll be right just someone, right on the Negrill beach.
Come on, Jika, we not no time.
Boy, God, man. Respect, man.
You alright?
Sure, yeah.
You know somebody well wants to see you for true. Because we have a little woman, I go down a gym the other day. And she had tell me, so she buy one phone for you. And she has the police come there. And you know, I question her about the phone, say a thief in phone. So I want to know, you're not thief in phone business?
Yeah, auntie. You know my business staying straight already. You know, say for a long time they not too like me. So then we say anything. But make my business them straight up front. So I don't know nothing
Make sure you're not in a hit. Because Jean tell me and I feel your name call. And you know so they don't like you already. So they may hug your basket to carry water. Me talk to you all the while, you know. The last time remember me talk to you about the partner and you waste your money. This time make sure. I mean I tell you
like
again.
to believe them so auntie, I'm not like that. Not all like that. Right now, we just need you to just pray for me. Right now, I run me have to run because I have a little business to take care of.
By the way, the last time we see a church I went there in Christian you. No beg that happen. You see this month here, we have family month. So I want you to come to church Sunday morning. Right? You come with me. And I make sure I call you and you come to church Sunday morning. Because we have a special speaker. It's a youth, young man like you coming to speak. I know you don't want to miss that. Alright?
I'm not going to promise you to come to church this Sunday or this Monday, but I'm going to make effort to try come. A long time, he has to tell me about church for ever since. I can't remember when last I come to church.
Make sure you put out the effort to come. No joke about it. Because you see your grandmother never raised you like that. She's a good Christian lady. But ever since she died and gone, it's like you're loose. And I don't know you as that little young man. You have so much more in you. And I really believe in our son. But you know you have to be careful in a time like this. So alright then, you take care and me pray for you. Alright. Remember me love you.
You know that one
Alright,
man.
take
You
care.
know how to survive already.
Yes man. Alright.
Alright, later.
Yes.
Yeah man, how to get this phone right now? And if you have no contact. See it.
How this a call me? Hello?
Yeah, you sell iPhone them?
Yeah man, I sell an iPhone them.
45 grand, I know say you mother like fi buy. You still have it?
Yes, me have more in stock, you know. The location and Negril. I hear now. If I reach a Negril and come and run about, you can't last. Just call me and me come job. Of course me have it, man. Me have whole heap in a stock. You have the money?
Yeah man, me have the money man.
As long as you have the money. You sure say you have the money?
You come and ask me again if me have the money. Me have the money, father.
Location and Negril. You can't last. When you come and Negril and come and run about. When you reach night town, me will come and check you.
Alright.
Hey baby, yo, should deal with the food for me, you know. Come home.
Every day this time when I dey on phone with you.
So call about.
Oh, go on.
Bad man, I'm tell you.
Oh, go on.
So your man's on phone you. I'm tell you.
Yo, bro G, may I ask some question, bro G?
How you all this girl ever chat? What's the class? I know say something like this here coming in, bro.
Boy, I'm going now.
We are the pan road, I tell us if you don't come pan road.
Mommy,
you lock up the place?
You know man, I lock up the place, man. You ever see me in the place and I'm not lucky. That's why something important, man.
You see, if you have some puppy show, where you do the kerchief on your head? How much time you tell us if you stop dresser? You just have to take up people's attitude and start dresser in a way.
Mommy, you don't know anything, mommy. It's so hot and you understand?
Anyway, what you want to talk to me about?
You remember you promised me something from last year from my birthday? Yeah man, a little money man. So yeah, I hit me and ask if I could have get it right.
So what you want the money for do now?
Mommy, I know I say I want a phone more and buy.
So what if phone your auntie send come give you the other day?
Mommy, if phone I have, mommy, you don't know say no that 100. And I like some not grateful, you know, I'm grateful to Auntie Karen, you know, but if phone, another phone there. I mean, you don't know if me think my young boy and my hot boy. Look on the phone. You know, 100, not even the camera, I can't take too bad picture of it and something. I don't know, say my hot boy and
matter of fact, take off some off your head. Take off some off your head and line up yourself good. A matter of fact, go on down. Because I don't know how nowadays you pick up this hype man thing. This young boy nowadays thing wanna have pants pan body, kerchief tie around head. Now you're gonna tell me say you want new hype phone. You not even know where you know what to say to you. Because right now you piss me off. You don't know how things expensive and every day you just want to get up and have this new thing, new this, and I take up this new style with these young people. Right now you're not even going good at school. Nothing not going for you. Your grades drop, everything for you drop. Because what? You want to live this life thing. You're not going to work out, you know. You're not going to work out because honestly, if you send you to school, you think it's easy. You know, easy. You see how hard me have for your work. And your father not give me nothing. Your father not give me no money. I know you're going to talk about you want a new phone. Huh? After your auntie send you a phone, you're going to talk about you want a new phone because your camera not good on this and that. It's alright, you know, my youth. It makes sense you're going down, you know. It makes sense you're going down. You hear me, I tell you? It makes sense you're going down. But you're going to talk about you want a phone. Hype phone. Because you're a young boy, you're a hype boy on the street, but you want a new phone. A matter of fact, once you're running, so I'm going to use the bathroom and come back. Eh? You know how much you think, you know how much you want a phone? That talk about you want a new phone and you just get one phone the other day. We're still sending a person around, so I'm going to go state and I'm going to use the bathroom.
The phone me did have the other day. Yes, one the phone. Girl, me fit tell us that me go down one store go buy the phone. After me go in at the store, me see the nice phone, you know, and me go book so to look a boy to get the money. And me go buy the phone. Me there me had good one day. I take selfie, cause you know me love take my selfie.
Yeah, girl.
And girl, me say me go snap, you know, cause the day in the night I did one party and me excited, you know, girl, and ready to go to the party, you know, with the brand new phone. Yeah. When me look, no police come on me yard. Me know me heart a beat out of my chest, girl. Me don't know what police are doing me yard.
Mommy, you can't get my name juice, please.
No, come go on now. And a matter of fact, don't let back the yard. No left the yard for the rest of the day. And never may you have nothing. Me say no left back the yard. You hear me, I tell you?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright.
Alright, love you.
Love you too.
He ma go make me know say a thief in phone the man sell me.
Lord Jesus Christ.
After the man collect so much money, you know, girl.
Me tell us if you buy the phone a day now.
But girl, what if I did the same thing?
Jesus Christ.
No, say me Dave not go on no yard. Link stunner.
Hello. Good evening. No, I'm know about 14 more, the iPhone 15 them. Yeah. No, I'm still one in stock. Okay. Yeah.
Boy, son, hot tea, man. Yo, stand alive. Look like nobody in there, man. Yo! Stand up! Boy, nobody in there. Boy, hard I hear and still doing it. Kid dog have somebody in there, what's wrong? Stand up!
Yo,
Oh, I pretty man. You see me a shout out, you hard I hearing, man.
There, man, I was just put on some clothes to touch your road.
Go open up this now, man.
Yeah, open, man, just move the chair.
Oh, yo, me dey even see it, you know. That no stop.
I meant to, I agree. if you have them, you want about 5. Because then I will see like an iPhone. Give me a so call you, give me about 5 minutes.
Yo, you see me call them, man. Yo, you not even know what go on. That's why I'll come up here say no. Yo, fly get up, me come in now.
See all you with your man, general, you know. Forward, man, get up, man.
Yeah, how you say? I walk. I wear man set all the padlock. Yeah, me tell you what go on. You not go believe.
I never have some $1,000 in my box. Don't send me buy nothing. No. I could never Anthony go in my money a while ago. I could never Anthony go in my money a while ago. No, you wait until me go down me and him deal with. Seriously? One penny tea from me?
Boy, so I deal, man. Like a day I go up on a quick move, man.
Yeah, man.
Boy, I say, oh, I have to check your car. Boy, I get to and deal it too sweet for they even tell me, you see me?
What kind of deal? Like car deal or what?
Boy, you don't say I want a phone deal, cousin.
One of them bad Samsung there?
No, man, iPhone, man. I don't say iPhone I anything now, man.
You don't even know what go on.
Yeah,
Yo,
tell me, man.
me see me call them, you know.
Yeah, Gina, man. That's how you go on.
Yo, here what go on. Here what go on. You know, so last night, we on hands. I want sprain brain. I say, show out in here, so I look so, brother. Some people I want to play some. I stay so. Now, you see me? I say, yo, how are you up to? When I look, I see man show out. 2 cases of red stripe, I see your man comes up. Why them want to spot me? I say, I did say to you, I not see nothing, I feel like off all the phone. That's why I see you call me first time, I feel like off all the phone. I look, I see man, 2 Heineken, 2 red stripe, Dragon light beer. So I say, yeah, where am I get them there? I look, I run the man running at some people place, brother. Watch your man come so. I make around 10 trip. 2 in my hand, you know. Say, alright, go on watch him, because I know say after I make all the trip there. Him can't move like that. Look, me see him cut. Go over there, brother. I'm come so. I pay empty buckle, man.
So the man was selling buckle them, boy.
I don't film them.
Film them now?
I film them now.
So yo, different from the story there. But you tell them say I get it from there. Like me call you now.
I hear now. I just show a little thing that go on, you know. But me want make it reach an idea, yeah. Because right now, I have an iPhone. I want to sell.
Yeah, what kind of iPhone?
Yeah, man, iPhone 14, man. Good deal, you know. You know how much man get you for? 45,000, you know.
15, max or regular 15?
Regular 15, man.
45,000. That's like a some backdoor thing, yo.
But boy, I can't make this a deal too sweet. This a deal sweeter than Nestle.
You have to be careful now, man, because you know that's how they chop for my sister on Instagram. You know what I'm doing?
Instagram, I sell the iPhone 14. 14 Pro, yeah, brother.
Bro, if you top there and sit there, bro, General Star. So when I start from pencil and sharp, not to phone.
They talk to me.
They chat the phone still.
You say like I chop.
Yeah, I trust that now. So I wait whether they deal with it on Instagram or...
Look on this no man, see thing no. See a legit thing.
Boy, look too good to be true. Well, not because you see that means say real no. Man can just put up a phone and say rain. It's sweet. I see man never sell one car. Axio for 750 and you know say Axio them go for like 1.3. You know that I probably the same way, is it?
Okay, they're good, but that phone they look on you and I say Chris.
Yeah, but a man can just put up a phone and say, alright, wait.
But may I tell you, you're a smart boy in the street, no boy can't do anything.
You think then still, because I work out for you if I get you any digit, is it?
Yo, we are coming through for you today, you know.
Yeah, man, I believe it,
As we chop the piece of food, then I come call it.
Alright, sir.
I know, say, I'm not too far from where that I do piece of business, you know. Yeah, man.
When you say all the business, you know, man.
We come through, man. We come through.
Cool life, man. Believe me, man. No, we don't go so, man.
No go say man. Me love
Brother,
you,
me
man.
brother.
They say old woman crutch.
Brother.
Listen to me.
Alright, watch out now. Since morning, my big woman look about caramel porridge to me. With bombard, Excelsior crackers on the side. Alright, now me I bet my mama just come off her phone. And watch out now. I tell me I'm gonna deal with some bombard, steam fish run down for me, brother. I'm telling my youth.
I know if you want up there though.
Probably up there sleeping, even come out of bed yet.
Me I tell you that right now, like me have to go get one of the old one.
No dog, I know way you much, I know probably you like young one them, but I know every big woman stay same, you know.
Like what you say, I'm forward, you know, cousin. You can't bother, you know, I have to go shoot grass, because I can't make that the deal they go with me, isn't it?
For real. That's a good deal. I have to work really just careful and make sure I phone where you see them as selling, you know, all phone or phone where battery not good or you know them way there.
Oh yeah, I talk to man, I don't know, say street smart and something, man. Anyways,
yeah, man,
but you keep shut, that's it.
That's
You get
up.
that? Yeah man. Get the phone you know.
You know say them a young girl nowadays. Nah buy nothing. Nowadays my big woman buy more bombard. Order it from off a bombard, Amazon, ship come a Jamaica yeah. England me I tell about brother. Me not talk about no knocks or no knockoff business. You see me?
See pray man.
Yeah man, you have to get yourself a big woman to take care of me. No young girl not take care of you so bad man.
You know say true dog, cause enough of them young girl can cook and even want grow on the stove with my father. God no. So sometimes you see all the big woman them, yeah dog, that's my right thing for true my friend.
Which number is? You know the number yeah? Hello? How this? How this? Oh, that sound like a such man. Such man. Yeah,
Fear boy man, you don't know me
yo. You know, see me there on the ends door, where you there on? Alright, do it down, me there on my ground and waiting up bro. Alright, my general.
$45,000, you know.
45,000. I have to be careful now, man, because I saw them chat my sister on Instagram now.
Eh? Oh, yeah, I see.
Yeah, man.
Go on.
You know, say me and the man go on a piece of work, we say we want 2 phones, you see me? And you know, say, boom, the phone there really, you see me, there, yeah man, and we get them, that man they have them, I know what man go do.
When go on?
Go give woman the phone, my friend, and before, and I make money, you see me?
Foolishness that's
but man, right now, I'm going to lift up.
He never dismayed, so I can't say
right
nothing.
Now, I'm going to lift up, my friend, because I believe him. You see me?
Yeah. Chano, you're right, man. I'm going to just want one off his split and just want to wait for the G till he reach. You see me? That's the right.
You know, for my style, alright?
Alright, me there, man.
Alright.
There, man.
Alright.
Yeah. G.
Reach. I mean, man, I wonder say, yo, where I do some long round this up.
You know what I say, I run I back me the door.
Alright, straight in our business. I not think I itch. Here what I go on now. I say, I come link you. I have a nigga, I tell him, say, up on Instagram. So I sell him one iPhone 14 Pro. You don't know a place, you would have money on him. You see me? So right now, I hit one take off him. So here I know, you're going in the town. I want to go in the town as a man on the ground. You don't know a place you can easily spot him out. A simple thing that, it don't supposed to take him more than 5 minutes.
You take off the food off of him. I give you a piece of food out of it. Because I know a few things set, isn't it? But I know say you have a youth. Boy, so sweet, you know, my boy. But watch out now. I really don't want to go fast crime when I time them, so I go down in the town. I go there in the town if you say so. Give me a link. That's no problem. As you link me, I give you a link. See, I heard, you know. I'm general. Later on, you know.
Yeah.
Yo, General. I wish part you there.
Place one against one ATM, you see me? 45,000, you know.
45,000. I have to be careful now, man, because I saw them chat my sister on Instagram now.
Me now want black shot, you see me? Yeah, easy to spot out, man. Me now want black shot. Oh, you're not reaching out on it.
Alright, here now. Give me 5 minutes. Soon come.
5 minutes. Alright, that maybe now wait for the phone, so yeah. Make sure you have your phone in, man. Alright, I have that one here. Alright. Alright, so now say a word then. Alright, cool. Alright, what?
Come on, don't move, man. Come on, Bulbin, man. Answer your phone, man. Babes, give me a minute. Yeah, the general called me, the social. Yo, my G. My boy. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, man, step on the car and I'm going to roll out now. In the ATM, now I'm black shot. That's how you feel there now. Yeah, man. Alright, I'm soon forward.
Yeah.
Yes, my general. I say black shirt in here now.
You reach already? Oh.
Man, black shirt, Mr. Man.
Yeah. Man, black shirt in the ATM.
So, this someone that tell me say man in a black shirt at ATM. I don't see nobody in a black shirt in a ATM. call back this a G. I don't know what, I don't to understand what going on, you know. I don't even want to pick up your phone, you know. Yo, my G. You tell me say man out there in a black shirt. Listen, a black shirt. You to your D short. You D short him back after you short me. Yeah, you to out there man, I don't know black shirt me see you know. No brother. Yo style my child style you know. What you think me fi do? Yes say? Link him. Yo dog, I move off in you. What you say we fi do?
Me a forward.
Go on, my G. Yeah man. Yeah man, you know say the boy run off though. Come like a bolt brother to Bombay man fast see. Even though where dog turn. How where you there? Yo, come give me a link now. Yeah, look for your boy man, cause I like your boy have money to you know, but you know me general, cause I wanna run so. Man, I run your frig. Alright. I still go on patrol till I forward now, cause we have to book him today, you know. We have to find him, you know. I want the money right now, my daughter down there hungry, you know. Oh.
Good evening, man.
Good evening.
I wish part here, so which part am I there? Because I don't know a place, you know, I'm new here.
Okay, you are in the grill. You are in the cross market in the grill.
Alright, thank you, thank you.
Yo, you make it thing obvious, make your man
My
know.
youth.
You sure see over here so you run, you come.
My youth, I have to over here so man come, bro. I can't stretching done so fast. I'm not so when him done the stretch. I'm not so fast. I have to over here and come.
Brother, the same thing you tell me did you know, brother. Yeah, brother. So what you do, you know, like how you do know a place and see which part you can go to get it clear right now.
Alright, here I don't you go on. You go suck and you go suck. Because we want a piece of food there and I tell you we want it.
Why the man a war? Now I go on to clock up part. Now call the police, no why this. Walk one. Can't be such a early morning war. I walk one man.
Elder, I saw you two youth there who rob me, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, they work with also. Drugs, yo, hide your son, man. Hide me, lock up, brother. Come here.
Tell me say man a chops man, brother.
Where you going here?
Man, you don't know, man, run off left me, oh.
You make him run left you.
No, silent. Don't say it.
Man, escape you, bad man. Never say, you might run to Jamaica, brother.
Yo, I see pass me now in a boot here, make him man run on the
Pants
field.
there, drop off for me, bad man. You want me do? Yo, me general.
I go on soldiers. Pick up on yourself, man.
Yeah, man.
So man, you look clean and fresh like a
Yeah,
man.
man. Yeah, man. Yo, here what go on,
Oh, this is
you see one youth pass now, aqua cola shot.
No, sir, me no see them on the pass, your brother. You know, sir, from the day I two of you first come on this pass, that's your brother. Swear upon my life, brother. No man no pass here, unless them gone to the front. Cause 3 way, you know, so you must come and so.
So if you see me, that tell way.
How you mean, man? I like I sitting in the like 2 man and look for one and not so clean. I must something wrong, boy, doing, no, man. What color shirt is him now again, brother?
Aqua color, man. They color like a similar to sky blue.
Yeah, so as long as in the Negril beach, we will see him. This is Negril, nobody can hide. That one the rubber now.
You know, say boy style of thing though.
Mm.
But you know, say
What's saying again?
Aqua color shot, man, similar to sky blue.
Oh, yeah. Bring back my memory, no, brother. You know, say me see a youth gone up the beach there. That man they could have reached all up Alfred and up on the beach there, you know. Could have called 2 white girls, because this is Negril. The man touch the beach here, really.
Alright, here now, respect, here.
Yes, brother. So your brother like come tell me, man, God, you can't live a thing, man. Any small.
Yeah, let's take me.
Yeah, man, live a small, man.
I'm going to boy today.
Yo, we here, hold on upon this. You see,
Yes,
anyhow, we
brother.
find him.
Yeah.
We are come back on circle and yes,
Real,
it's better.
Man. Right just someone, right now Negril beach.
Come on, G, because we not
Alright.
no time.
Boy, God,
Man, so much fun, so I can't get comfortable. Check my phone case if you
Yo, Parry. Yo, come on, brother, they ain't gone now. Yeah, man, you know some canny boys, they don't take off a thing off of them. So, brother, it's like when we can't, look at you, look at you, because they don't mind
I see you,
respect, man, respect. Yo, go some MC Academy.
So we can get taxi.
What do you mean, man? You can't get a taxi right now at home.
Alright, bless him.
Man, I see you, long life.
I dream. Man. Oh, Jesus. What a dream.
Yes, you're rude. I'm not here now. Get in that color.
Mommy! Mommy! Mommy!
Oi, sorry I know my name so far. What me I know?
Me not ask you if you have good night on.
Yeah, me I go down in night town, but me I finish wash out them here. Them here so, and then when I'm done, me I go down there walk my way one.
Not true, me do you want you buy something for me?
So where you get money from?
And the money I'm save up from school.
So hold on there. So you dress up so like you go somewhere. Make sure not plan your plan for the yard, no little girl. Just try make sure you know. I'm not want to bring nobody out of a place, you know. And that may I tell you. Right? Because me not understand you just interested to find out if me are the yard and when then you just dress up so like you go somewhere. If you ever left the yard today, mark it 10, just know where you go get when you come back in. You hear me I tell you? I'm going to come back off the road and you know something. And I'm going to come see nobody in my yard and you know something. I'm tired
Mama,
to
me
talk
not
to
go
you.
nowhere. Me just dress up in the yard. Everything you just a cuss so.
If you like give me something to talk about and cuss every day about, Mona just a cuss, I get up a cuss like my mad so.
But mommy, me simply ask you somebody come take out a problem them for me.
It's alright. You go and talk, you're free to talk, you hear? That may I tell you.
Me simply ask you if you go somewhere come want you buy something for me. I come go. Me I go tell you when to come. It is either I call you or text you when to come. You can't come. Alright? Love you too.
Odien! 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 Oh, you're there!
Chanel,
Yeah?
come here then. Alright, I'm going to town now. So, I want you to take out the clothes off the line for me here. And take out the chicken for out for me. Hey, and make sure you left the yard, you know. Make sure you don't come out the yard, you know. Because if you ever come out the yard and broke your neck in today, you hear me say?
Yeah.
Where do you say you want tonight town again? Where do you say you want?
I never want nothing. That good.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright. So I go and soon come. I have to take out the something for me and take out the chicken till I come back, alright?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hello? You can't come now. Alright.
You're not happy that? I'm there with here, there I go.
Your mother don't have them young go.
Oh.
So she not long there?
Yeah, she down there. I like how to live good. I not live far out. Want to keep up that. I like that about you. Know. A long time when I come, you know. You understand? I'm you, especially I just like you because I hear your name and mix up in a bag of man and them something there. You understand what I say? And that's a good girl. Them kind of friend them want my daughter to have. You understand what I say?
Hey man, she come like a sister to me. Red Chanel, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I like that. This when I go down there, tell her if you take out the chicken, remember if you take out the chicken and take out the clothes off the line. Here. Alright, I'm going to be able to save till I come back. Alright? Later.
Send me some sexy pictures. I mean, show me what I'm complete. And I'm about the foolishness, you know. If people they just go in and bathroom and take some pictures. I want some sexy picture right now.
Chanel! Who that? How are you? I just see your mother up the road. She said she go in her town, sir. I'm supposed to go in her town, you know. I never know say you stop by. So like you have plans, so like you have somewhere to go. But anyways, your mother said remember you have to take out some out of the fridge and take out the clothes of my file. So where you go? Girl, I tell you that told me I go deal with something. And by the way, which plans you talk about? Everybody just watch me so. And me alone can't go do nothing?
Excuse me, I don't have food now, so we can't eat.
I'm cool, come girl, man. Long time I see you.
Long time I don't see you too.
Yeah, I feel, boy. Yeah, I tell you. Oh, God, you good?
Yes, brother.
Alright, good, man.
Long time I don't see you.
I'm glad to see you still.
So much clothes here, fine there. Billy, you have to go wait little because my friend there, I never know that she don't stop by. But I'm not that fat still. She loves sleeping, so I go give her something for she sleep. And, you know.
It sounds like I can't see one can't see it for me.
Friend don't stop by. I never know that she don't stop by. And that go on, man.
Alright. As soon as you drop asleep, you call me, yeah?
Chanel! 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 Shall I call me? Chanel! Yeah! Chanel! Yeah! We are coming so for somebody there?
But take out the clothes them, cause the time like it set up like rain and go fall and then dry. Yeah, guani. I should have allowed the lawyer. You can't get to me and help him. I should have left them, make them wet up and make your mother come broke you. You come and guani.
I know you are come talk about. You see because sun and sun hot and talk about rain and go fall.
But they're nice, man.
Key, make more on there. I see the good juice here.
I'm not hungry, but the patty tastes extra nice. Come on, extra the hair around it.
Say now, carry the juice. Carry the juice when I have to drink it.
Sun draws me up and little clothes and I take up and want to sleep.
Did I use the sun not hot?
And to the time they look overcast. I want to sleep.
time I come because I don't want my friend to wake up and she doesn't sit at the house. So hurry now. Dirty boy, she want to go with Mwana, bola bola no. Mwana, fama that even know the I see her with the dirty boy again. I hope I use condom. How are you talking about, Abby? After I go do nothing, I'm going to town. You hear me? I want you. The man that can't give you nothing. Remember, say you're underage than a big old man that. Girl, remember me, I want you. And a workless man that. Him workless. Me I come going here because you can't go and chat and believe what you want to believe. Because me I tell you some girl and son, I'm not going to do nothing. She's not there here. Look, if you go to another mother. Because she done broke up in nose and skirt. I'm going to help her because she's not here. I take me for idiot. You come here and call me and you know so she's not there. How for this? I must see the boy that made this up at the gate last night. I must them drop it out there. No, you know. No, you see you look a girl that dull so when nobody talk to you. You might think I like me like it when me I tell her this, but me I tell her for your own good. She say your mother have it all the day already. Me I tell her say just do what you have to do and you not even listen to me. Give me this. But watch out, give me something man. You're gonna have for me and for your money by it. Just me a real job.
I want one in there, so. Better than one in there, one. Come here. You come here. Hey, when I gonna get money for fix on my TV? Even though no one I gonna get me 30,000 fix on my TV, but I want it back, you know. Guess the TV around there, so I'm my little fun and enjoyment. That to hear me I say, as a matter of fact, I want to fight for. When you could have worked, when you could long enough come and apart, I want now. Hey, wait there. I hope no man on in here war boy, you know. Cause you little pitney, me know say you's very prime. Come, hey, me don't know, you know, but when I find my 30,000 fix my TV, you know. What are they really? So really, I be a shadow, what really a fight? Cause I can't fool she's not war over and mash up all my TV. What really a fight over? You talk to me.
You want me tell her what happened? You want me to tell her what happened? Or you want to tell her what happened? It's not matter if you want to talk about this. You don't hurt me right now, you know. I'm going to lay down.
So what really go on? Yep, when you plan to tell me what really happened?
When you know what go on, yeah? Sometimes I'm empty.
Alright, I just saw the ticket to go. Fly high, fly low, mark it down 10 in here. When I figure find back that 30,000 and fix back my TV. You don't think my TV I go so? Because I know I must fool she to now war over. Remember me tell you no that. You hear? Remember me tell you no that. Because I know I fool she to now war over. I mash up my TV by the enjoyment. You know man? Fly high, fly low, not forget about that.
Hello? Hello? Sorry for the fight. You really can't make this much of a friendship. Remember, so we're friends for a long time. Understand that, girl. Anyways, I have something to talk to you about. Yeah, if I always think, man, not have to whisper. Yeah, and out there can come. Alright. Alright. No, I know. No, someone wants it. How I don't know. I'm pregnant. Yeah, breed? Yeah. After the same dirty boy me that one about? Yes, you see one. I tell about him, you know? I tell about him. So your mother know about this? My mother can know about it. Remember say me young. My mother can't know about this. So what you plan for do? Keep it or dash it away? Me I keep it. I don't have no money for dash away pitney, so you feel like you're ready for one pitney? I'm not ready for nothing because right now I'm now work, and if my mother find out about the situation, you know what time it is. The best advice I can give after dash it right now. I don't have no money, you give me some money? I don't have any. Or you go to your mother and tell her the situation and see what she can do. Because I say my mother can't know about this. I now work, plus girl my mother can't. So what you gonna do? You don't know the man and police can lock you up or lock him up because you're underage. Girl, right now I'm confused. I don't know what to do. And I know I did that one about the boy. I tell you.
babes, wagwan. But then, you know, miss me? Yeah, I miss you too. Hey, you don't even know I miss you, baby. Can't stop thinking about you. Yeah. You know, don't know, man. You know, say me now a little spot though. I don't know if you can give me a little helping hand, you know. Yeah, I don't know some TV mash up. I don't know where to find the first dollar, you know, for buy back one. Yeah. But 120,000 feet, man. Even half you can make me up with. Yeah. Yeah, man, send it to Western Union, man. Remember, say you can't send it to me, because they block me. Yeah. So my daughter have a little friend there, where I'm gonna make she collect it for me. Yeah, man. So you make do I send you the information. Yeah, alright. And then you will just send your information to me. Yeah. So we can deal with alright then. So yeah, babes. Yeah. So yeah, see, I plan to travel. Yes, I mean, we can't wait for you to come. But you wanna be able to, you have to go push down your date a little bit further down the certain month. Because you don't know, say, my time of the month, you know. Yeah. I know, man, I know. Just go and hold it, baby, because I hold out too. You see it? Alright. Yeah, man, thanks. Hey. 120,000 pity not even know this. Hey, some get extra. Chanel! Chanel! How are you little girl, man? I don't tell her to the yard.
Madam, hello? Hello? May I come to mother, yeah?
Remember if I talk to her about the situation, if I not want she plan to put you out, you can come stay with me.
How are you today? You know you're not me a call you. I'm not trying to say this left yard. Eh? Much time tell her left yard. Anyway, my friend there, when I have this baby down at West Union, I go collect a little food there for me.
Should I done this, so?
I want you to link her because I have a piece of money I want she go collect for me. You see?
Alright. Hello? How are that, you know? Alright. Alright.
You get tired?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to wait for her then. So wait till I'm to you, you know. Nothing, no. So I wait to look on my phone and I as me I come. How? I'm gonna text up on phone. Well, as a matter of fact, give me the phone and let me see night. Mister, give me your phone, man. Give me it. Hey, pull the phone, pull the phone.
See, the money that do nothing.
You need to do nothing, no? Wait. It's alright, I must find out what you're up to, you know, I must find out, you hear me? You say, any day, name day, I find out, say, a man you have, little girl, let me tell you this. You might go straight to prison, that me I tell you. Hey, me won't even talk. You say, if you ever breed now this girl, me tell you something, your grand people, them have whole heap of land, you go and farm. I got a tongue, go sell bag juice, because you're not staying here with it. And that me I tell you. You know what? As a matter of fact, go on and go find something for do in that house. No! And I make me talk twice. You must think so me an idiot. You think me a fool, you think me born big. I say the day and day I find out say a man you have in this year. Right through the door you go. I would have. How are you? Come in out to the sun, man. Now go right back and run her back. Throw her back there be something. Now call her come back here.
I smell. Hello? So me a call you from the other day, I nah get you. From me have sex, me a call you nah answer your phone, I nah get you. I want me. But anyways, me have something to tell you. I'm pregnant. Hello? Hello? So really hang up the dirty boy hang up on me? So that something me a do.
So how you man run yourself on the phone? So how you love ends up by yourself on the phone? Now what interest on the phone so?
No, me have something just check on the phone.
You know, something I check on the phone. Something I check all the mind things say me an idiot. All your little mind things say me an idiot. Anyway, your friend round the saw wait for you all long. So here what? See paper here the information. We're gonna call it the something 160,000, not a dollar less, not a cent less. And I'm wait too long. You hear me I tell you go on and come back.
So girl, I said nothing to your mother yet about it. Girl, me if you tell her say me a breed. My mother say if me a breed, she put me out and girl, I can't tell my mother. But girl, I can't keep this fella, I can't keep that secret to her fella. I say your belly and go show her, you know. Mother don't just say girl, come here, kill my mother to ear. You stand there. You look at me. Anyway, take it to I go find her. But anyways, I was telling her mother, do you want to go now? I mean, I need to change my dress. I have to change back this and put on my dress. Girl, I don't know nobody saying I go breed. They done breed already. So it's either you tell her mother or me tell her.
Ladies, what are they? Good? Ah, cool.
Yeah. I have to tell her. Girl, you idiot. Don't tell my mother. Cause when I tell them the boy make me nearly fall out. I mean I know you gonna have sex without condom, girl. What kind of style then they? Tell her if you dash your boy and the boy not call you from your breed. Girl, if me had the money for dash it away, I dash it away. Girl, right now I'm just confused at the moment. I'm confused. I like a money are the problem, but yeah, I have a little style, but it's very risky. You can't make you have no more pretty for the rest of your life, so here, I'm not here. Just come to me. Alright girl, come and show me. Girl, I feel like something for texting my money to deal with something.
Deal with what? The pregnancy for that show the belly. Girl, I'm mad. Mama say me I can keep money in my information is calling the money in your mother that cost me out. But just to ask. Anyways, I'm gonna find another solution. Cause I just ask me to ask. But girl, you know you could have never asked that. Anyway, that is a stupid question.
Dean! Yo, Dean! Yo! Huh? Sure.
Dada. John.
Yo, today you tell me, my youth. No bother with that, no bother with that, Today you tell me,
Dada. Yo. John, brother. I don't feel like a grown thing now, brother, isn't it? But yeah, we're gonna look emergency roll up, isn't it? Alright now on a live cash permanent fund. That's what I say. But yeah, we're going. I know if you can just give me a little bit more time, you see me, because my girl for deal with something for me today, you see me? So I can make her get some money, you see me? But up until that time, I tell you honestly, I have no money for me, Dada.
Brother, I every day store this, I to them want the money, I to them, Yo, and a later. Just a later. It's alright. It's a different ball game. I look upon if later come and I get my money still. My youth, I take you as a bridging. I take you as a bridging. You decide, say, yo, you can pay back by X time. And all now. Brother, me I warn you.
Yeah, for going so still no cause, you see me? I do not tell you, say, my girl I forward in today, you see me, with some funds, you see me? Just a little bit more time me ask for, you see me? I don't know if you go on so dog, I mean, the me about no me business dog. Watch nothing man, me I start out the business man, you see me? You know me not style them with them, a long time me a friend.
Yeah, you know. But I just how you deal with things, brother. Brother, you could have deal with this better than that, You say you don't want me loud up and you don't want people to hear your business, but if you don't deal with this thing, you would have to reach us. Brother, you're a big man, I can't believe you do me this. Me apart from school days. Me there with you. Brother, you don't need to go around me. But you don't say, oh man, I come at X time. So, I'm going to see you deal with it today. Then we are going to know how we can separate the boys from the men.
Yeah, man, I understand.
Don't give me a word. Well, you give me your words over and over. But this time, I take it as the last. My youth. I make it reach no further. I make it reach no further. When I have to turn this in a different ball game. To be forewarned is to be forearmed. So what you want me to do? You want me to wait or? Because you don't tell me say a woman are coming.
I know say I'm a busy man still now. You see me? I know say if nothing probably have things to do in a day. So if you have nothing to mash up, you can mash it up and give me back a link still.
Cut your bullshit! Come talk about...
Brother, no bullshit dog. I tell you, dog. I'm not going this time around, dog. You see me? Because I know say a long time, you see me? You link me and can't afford for you to link me constantly, you see me, without me have a thing prepared, dog. So now watch nothing, I get a thing sorted out, dog. You see me? Just give me, as I say, give me a little bit more time. I say if you have something to sort out, just start it out and just give me back a link. You see me? Now go there right now, so I'm not going to
that's how I remind you. Today at the day. So if you know say you go around me, you know, just know it go. Here we go. I'll link you back in 15 minutes. And when I come back, I don't want not talking. So, deal.
Yo, in 15 minutes, dog? Brother, we can't scratch me in 15 minutes, brother. Yeah, you man, see, just give me an hour or two, brother.
Just give me an hour or two, brother. We sort out a thing, man. But 15 minutes, brother, come on, man. Me even spit a gun, it never reach in a 15 minutes, dad. Daddy, come on, man.
Alright. You say an hour or two. You say it, you know. I'm going to give you time. Because look like you dig your own grave. Now worry yourself. 2 hour time.
I did this, you know. Yeah. Yeah, B. Hey, boy, some food in the bag. You know some more? Yeah, B. You think you can give me one link in idea? Yeah, man, give me a link in idea, man. Isn't it? I want to chat to you about something. See if we can reach him a foot. Yeah, man. Alright then. You don't know it. Well, since I say never come when time the mango did in. You see me I say? Just 1 and 2 left now still, but I have 2 in the can get still now when you're ready to move, you know.
Come in like mommy, you know. It's a story the mango them say when mango got done out. I know. Remind me of mommy.
That's that, man. But no, don't worry yourself, man. Everything will go alright, man.
You know, me have a little situation.
What about?
Alright, brother. You don't even know me. I have a situation and I have a surgery to go to.
Where's this? Surgery?
Yeah, brother, surgery.
For what? What happened to you?
Don't know.
Man, talk to me, man. It sounds like you don't even want to say what you want to say to me. Talk to me, man. What you say?
Brother, the same thing happened to me, man. Same thing.
Is you serious? You serious? Right now, a joke you tell me right now. Yeah, you tell me foolishness, sis.
You have a sleepless night.
A joke you make, sis. Right now, this sound like one curse the power as a family. Yo, sis. What go on? Where are you doing? Some man just run for you. The money thing there, did you get the money? Oh, I never get none, John. Yo, don't watch nothing still, man. Don't watch nothing, man. Nah, man, you don't have to worry about that, man. You see me? I sort out something, man. Just little time, you know? I sort out something. I make something reach you, man. I'm one sister, man. I don't have nothing to you, you see me? Yeah, man, don't watch that. Everything is good. Alright. Watch that.
Alright. Yeah, but remember say you can't send it to me because them block me. Yeah. So my daughter have a little friend there where I'm gonna make she collect it for me. Yeah, man. So you make do I send her the information. Yeah, alright. And then
Ladies, where are they? Good? Where are they, sis? Everything good, you know? You girl there. What the?
I remember to pay your mother the money. Yeah, now go down, go change and come.
Yo. I know how this still know, but I tell you what I'm going. I know if you have to collect in some funds, you know. You don't worry about all this, man. I say I know I need to know. I just need to work how me tell you what to work. Now here what I got. I know if you get in some money, you know. So here I go do. I go want you left 100 grand in a brown paper bag right up at the column. So I say, I'm serious them way the man you got dead.
Alright. Now go get the money and put it at a spot there so you can get it.
Alright then. That sound yeah. You see me?
Do not tell my mother.
You know watch that man. Me hold my end of the bargain. Yeah.
Baby, come as fast as me could want.
You know, you know, say, that piece of money they really want to borrow for you because kind of like a spot, you see me? I know you stay.
So you could have said that over my phone. Eh? How much money you want, so?
You know, say, yo, it's a 50 grand, I look for borrow something.
50? What me forget 50 grand? What me forget 50 grand? You know, what me I do? What kind of work you see me I do?
B, I know you just asked me how much money I want for borrow, B. I'm going to tell you say I want 50. Yo. Matter of fact, forget it here, man. Me find out with this. Everything good.
Me will try. You think me just have $50,000 put on, so?
No, so that's not about never.
Me will try.
You don't make me know, so you ask me how much and then I make you know how much is me and then I move a type of way, you see me?
But differently no be, you know, so me think of some sort out you want, you can call me. Well, come up here in the mood and thing, you know, if you find out the money.
Yeah, easy still, no. Yeah, I'm still kind of stressed out in the day and I can't try it.
So no, that's why you should have linked me, man. Release some stress.
What the fuck coming?
You're dead! You're dead!
Yo! Yo, man, come cross me. Yo, Dan, here we go on. You know, some left the money up at Column in the creases. Here we go on, man. No, don't think say I fool me a fool around this time around, you see me? I don't fool me a fool you. Me just run come did something, so I just touch it off, you see me? So here we go on, just go up on the column, look between the creases of the wall, and see if you see a thing, brother.
Brother, it sound like some joke thing you take this on. Like you don't understand how we are dealing with it. How? We deal with it too good. Like you fly past all the nests you know. Yo, which column you talk about?
You
And
know
ask, you know.
there's enough time me hang out the brother. So you know which column I only column me really hang out, so you know me I talk about. I just stop going so daddy. I mean I tell you, I not send upon a wild goose chase.
You could have mad.
I tell you say the end of the column. You see me? We just have something to deal with and I couldn't bother to stay up the road and wait. You see me? I can't even explain what something will reach me now, brother. You see me? I whole heap of stress me right now, you see me? And I make sure so I sort out. I make sure I sort out your thing because that I want stress more off from my brain. So I say just go easy, man. You see me? You don't have to bother with the one bag of loud noise, brother, and something, brother. You see me? Here we go. See there? The two phone them. I'm a car key. Two phone them car key. Hold them. Go up on the column now and go search and see if you don't see it. And if you don't see it, you can just hold on upon them there and go sell them or do what you want to do with them. But make sure so when you find the money, you just bring back my thing them come give me.
I wonder where money there. Could I swear say you put the money underneath the mattress to backside. But you know to my head because sometimes let me take out the money and not even remember to buy. No sir. Remember to buy. No sir. I wonder if we put it in this book. No sir. No women the money.
You sound like it. You sound like it. Cause here on mark my words. Now write it down. 10. 10 you not there. And sell them. So you decide. You could have mad. You could have crazy. You could have sick. Yo. I'll link you back in a few.
Say you put the money under the mattress. What about not coming about me and Chanel there? After Chanel give me money, I put it on there. You know, say I go ask Chanel. You say I go ask Chanel. I'm just saying to you.
Like I eat this man take man for now. No brown paper bag no there, sir.
I know so I could have swear Mr. Chanel come for another little corner just for me the money under the mattress. You know, so I could have a little girl never take out my money from underneath the something. Hold on there. Watch me and her blouse and skirt and all. Chanel! Chanel, where my money there? Look at girl, my money there. You alone know for my money. Where you say you not do what? I better say I'm murder you know this. Hey girl. Hey girl, where my money there? Shut up. Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my good girl say my money there? You alone know for my money there. Hey, you don't know about my money there. Shut up. Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my money there?
No, you need. No, because she's pregnant.
Where you say? Wait, you know what? I know you're dead too. Where you say you do? Wait, what she say you do? What me I saw? Breathe out, why you fi breathe? Wait, backward.
Morning people, hope you like the movie. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. And hit the post those notifications.
Talk to people them. You know you have to talk to people.
Look in the camera. You can put on me, but nobody knows.
Anyways, people, Felicia, yeah.
Anyways, people, Felicia Cooper here. More big up AV. And want to know if you like, subscribe, and share.
Oh, you mean? Oh, you mean? What you say, my general? Tell the people what they know.
See you? Straight to this. I don't know a thing, you see me? Jamaica, big up yourself, you don't know a thing. Like, subscribe, share. You see me? Big up my mother, big up my father, you see me? Big up the whole Atkins of family. You don't know Mumpella the place, you see me? Tell you that right now, big up the whole Mumpella gang. You see me? Ease yourself, my man.
Big up AV, big up Akeem, big up Akeem, you have to big up yourself, you know what I say? I don't know. So big up my brother and sister them same way, Mika, Richie. You know the thing, guys, me.
I don't know, no look out for me, just put in some work, I put it together. When I see me next in the episode, you see me? I make you laugh till next year then time. I hear that Ojo, the one Savior and 1G. For Instagram, I go send out my sneakers business. When I check out for the body Air Jordan, the body Retro 23, them when I look
alright, yeah, ain't take too much of the fair, you know about that.
And action. And action.
Well, I'll pause it. Mister, give me your phone, man. Give me it. Hey, pull the phone. Pull the phone.
See, them need do nothing.
You need to do nothing now? Wait. It's alright. I must find out what you're up to. You know, I must find out what I'm going here. I must. You just wait.
She come here.
Action.
Stop that shot.
Action.
Girl, you idiot. Don't tell my mother. If my mother find out about this, my mother go kill me. You want me? Remember tell yourself she'll go on the veranda with me? Yeah, idiot girl. Me not no money for that shot the belly. Do not tell my mother. Me not tell my mother. Me don't see her. No, me can't say me don't see her.
Action. Action.
Yo, brother, you are going now. You know, start you must run. It's like that.
And action. Check some more, man. Take a little more time, man. Check.
Don't say she asleep.
Yeah, check a little more, man.
Ready?
And action. Action.
You know, say a long time I not get no sort out and thing. And every 2 days my nature call. So, I want that.
Yes, people, board grand once more. Actually, if you check into AVTV, you don't know. Over yesterday. Yeah, man, in the east. Yeah, more you see what I go on because I'm put in the work and I tell you, trust me, the thing them hot. You know, I don't know how to do best. Go over there, go subscribe, like, comment, share. You wear the pen pound. You don't know. Your boy, Boyd Grant. Stay tuned. Up.
Action. No, don't the same.
Don't say.
Again. And action. Action.
The spit?
Mm-hmm.
But then I'm
Yes, hopefully you can make it this far in the video but can talk to, no? So yes, people, hope you enjoy the little movie there. And if you don't make it this far and you subscribe it, come on, it only makes sense to you subscribe. Me keep you here this long, eh? Well, all of we keep you here this long. So go ahead and subscribe, like the video, share it with somebody else, make them get some entertainment. You see me? So, yep. And if you tell no one you can look forward to, well, you don't know this channel, you get the whole works. Short films, a vlog, everything, you see me? But for the people who just strictly want to see movie anytime them get a post notification, check the pinned comments, or the first comment you will see. Will lead you to a channel that I'll only upload movies over there. So definitely go and subscribe to that channel. Over here, short films, vlog, the whole works, because I don't know, me is a camera lover. Now I left my camera, we're married till death do us part, you see me? So, yeah, music videos, weddings, short films, movies, the whole works. As long as it's video, I'm in. So, thank you as always for the support. Thank you for you follow me so long. Blur it not from police days. Big up on yourself, manners and respect. And Laro shall see you very, very soon. Oh, Jano. And then if you big up nobody, I'm not big up. Yo, big up everybody. Little more. Big up on yourself.